I am Aligar Lingappa, Assistant Professor, Government Postgraduate College, Siruguppa. Today, I am discussing about a spectral series of hydrogen atom, which is under the chapter Atomic Models. So we know that the Rydberg constant formula, the energy differences between the levels in the Bose model, and hence the wavelengths of the emitted or absorbed photons is given by the Rydberg formula 1 by lambda is equal to or h into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square, where Z is the atomic number, N is the principal quantum number of the lower energy level, En2 is the principal quantum number of the upper energy level, and RH is the Rydberg constant. Its value 1.09677 into 10 power of 7 per meter for hydrogen, and 1.09737 into 10 power of 7 meter per second for heavy metals. So this is also expression for Rydberg constant. Just note that R is equal to minus E naught by Hc m E e to the power of 4 by 4 pi cube epsilon naught cube H cross cube C, which is equal to 1.097 into 10 power of 7 per meter. Whenever an electron in hydrogen atom jumps from a higher energy level to the lower energy level, the difference in energies of the two levels is emitted as radiation of a particular wavelength. It is called a spectral line, as the wavelength of the spectral line depends upon the two orbits between which the transition of electron takes place. Various spectral lines are obtained. The different wavelengths constitute a spectral series, which are the characteristic of the atoms emitting them. Here, spectral lines means the lines which are obtained due to transition of electron from a higher energy state to lower energy state. When an electron jumps from a higher energy state to lower energy state, it emits energy in the form of photons. So you just see the diagram. The spectral lines in the hydrogen atom, which can be classified into 5 important series: Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brocket series, P-Fund series. So when just see the diagram, where the Lyman series which obtained due to transition of electrons from a higher energy state to first energy state. The spectral lines which are obtained in Balmer series due to transition of electrons from a higher energy state to second energy state. In case of Paschen series, the spectral lines which are obtained due to transition of electrons from a higher energy state to third energy state. In case of Brocket series, the spectral lines which are obtained due to transition of electrons from a higher energy state to fourth state. And also in case of P-Fund series, the spectral series, that means the spectral lines which are obtained due to the transition of electrons from a higher energy state to fifth energy state. The emission spectrum of atomic hydrogen has been divided into a number of spectral series with wavelengths given by the Rydberg formula. As we seen earlier, the Rydberg formula, 1 by lambda is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So the formula which can be used to determine the energy or the wavelength of the photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from the higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit. These observed spectral lines are due to the electron making transitions between two energy levels in an atom. So first you see the Lyman series. The series was discovered during the years 1906 to 1914 by T. Lyman. Thus, it is named after him. According to Bohr's model, Lyman series is displayed when electron transit takes from the higher energy states, so second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, etc., to first energy state. So N1 is equal to 1 state. All the wavelengths of the Lyman series falls in the ultraviolet band. What about the frequency or wavelengths of the photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from higher energy orbit to first energy orbit? So, belongs to the wavelength of ultraviolet rays, so called ultraviolet band. So second one, Balmer series. The series was discovered during the years 1885 by John Balmer. Thus, the series is named after him, Balmer series. So, Balmer series is displayed when electron transit takes from higher energy states from third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh to second energy states. So, the Balmer series which obtained the spectral lines which are obtained due to transition of electrons from higher energy orbit to second orbit. What about the photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from higher energy orbit to second energy state? Corresponding to the wavelength of visible light. So, a Balmer series falls in the visible part of electromagnetic spectrum. If the electron jumps from third orbit to second orbit, so called H alpha line. If electron transits from fourth orbit to second orbit, the spectral line obtained is known as H beta line. If the electron transits from fifth orbit to second orbit, then the spectral line obtained is known as H gamma line. If the electrons transits from sixth orbit to second orbit, the spectral line obtained is known as H delta line. H alpha, H beta, H gamma, H delta lines. So the next one, Paschen series. So the series which obtained, so it observed during the years 1908 by German physicist Paschen. So the series which obtained due to transition of electrons from higher energy states, so 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th to third energy state. When an electron transits from higher energy state to third energy state, What about the spectral lines which obtained? They are called Paschen series. The wavelengths of the photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from higher energy state to third energy state corresponding to the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum, so called Paschen series. Brocket series. So the series, it was observed in the years 1922 by an American physicist of Brocket, E.F.S. Brocket. This series, the Brocket series, is a display when the electron transits from higher energy orbit to fourth energy state. That means from a fifth state to fourth state, sixth state to fourth state, seventh state to fourth state, like that. If electrons transits from higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit, so-called fourth orbit, then the spectral lines which are obtained, known as Brocket series. The photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from higher energy state to fourth energy state corresponding to the wavelengths of infrared region of the electromagnetic waves, electromagnetic spectrum. So, Brocket series. So then P-Fun series. This series, it was first observed during the years 1924. It was observed by P-Fun. This series, P-Fun series, is displayed when electrons transit takes from higher energy states to fifth energy state. That means from a sixth state to fifth state, seventh state to fifth state, eighth state to fifth state, then etc. The photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from the higher energy state to fifth energy state corresponding to infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. So, P-Fun series. The wavelength corresponding to each series, maybe Lyman series, Balmer series, Paschen series, Brocket series, P-Fun series, which can be calculated or determined with the help of the equation 1 by lambda is equal to RH into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. RH, so constant, Rydberg constant, 1.09677 into 10 power of 7 per meter. N1, that gives lower orbit. So N2, that gives the higher orbit. So the formula which we have used to calculate the frequency or wavelength of the photons which are emitted during the transition of electrons from higher energy orbit to lower energy orbit. Thank you.